everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Sahiti. I talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle and a lot more. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing my channel to catch up on all the fun. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Ajio haul. Now I bought a lot of clothing from Ajio 1 to 2 months back. I bought these outfits for very reasonable price, which is why I'm filming this video so that it might be useful for you guys, because the festive season is right in the corner. I'm very excited for today's video, so without any further blabbering, let's get into the video. So I have a habit of getting the clothings in larger sizes, especially when I shop online. I tend to buy larger sizes than my original size because I don't get the clarity of what size would fit me, so that I go for a size larger than my original size. So all these outfits that I'm going to show you today are very loose to me. Like the particular one I'm wearing now is also loose to me, and I'm very scared to step out of the home and get the fitting done, so I'm just wearing them as it is. So the first one is this beautiful peach color A-line dress, A-line churidar. So this is so beautiful, you guys. You can look at the print. This particular A-line churidar is a mix of peach color and this print is actually in sky blue color. So you can look at the print. You have this particular print all over the dress. So this is from the brand called Avasa. Avasa is a very good brand. You get like decent pieces for a very reasonable price. So this is it. We also get this churidar pant. You have buttons for this. Now the fitting and everything is so perfect and it is very comfortable to wear. So I also got the dupatta. The dupatta is very flowy and breezy. So the dupatta is not very large, it's not lengthy, so that's a little bum I would say, but everything else is just perfect. Come on. So next one is this gorgeous anarkali dress. I bought this for my birthday during May. So this is again from the brand. No, this is not from Avasa. This is from Biba. We already know that Biba is a beautiful brand. It produces some amazing Indian outfits that are trendy and also very comfortable to wear. Now this is again 3/4 hands. It has this print over here and it has very beautiful flare, you guys. Just look at that. Oh my god. This particular outfit has made my birthday more colorful. So coming to the pant and dupatta. The dupatta is not again very lengthy. This is cotton dupatta. So yeah, not very lengthy, but you can actually manage. The quality of this particular pant is so good, you guys. It's not like some street bought leggings. This is very smooth and comfortable to wear. So I would completely recommend this particular, anarkali dress. This is very beautiful. Next A-line dress that I want to show you guys is this beautiful. Again, I'm using a lot of beautifuls in this particular video, but I cannot help but use beautiful a lot of times. So okay, anyways, this has beautiful chip work on its top part. This again does not have a lot of flare. This looks very classy when you wear, and again the handwork. You get a folded sleeve over here, and this is again comfortable to wear, but this is I think silk mixed cloth. So I bought this again in the larger size, so please size down when you buy. Yeah, this is about the top. Now we got a gold color pant for this. This is again very comfortable, very soft, and this looks brilliant under the anarkali. So coming back to the dupatta thing, this is again a small disappointment because this is not again so lengthy. So this is how the dupatta looks. I'll attach a video so that you can get a clear view of how this looks when we actually wear it. Come on. So the next one that I want to show you guys is this top, A-line top. This is gorgeous, you guys. I don't have a lot of red color outfits, so I thought I should get this basic red color A-line dress. This is 3/4 hands, and you have a border of navy blue. You can pair this up with navy blue leggings. It has a good flare, guys. So like this. The last one for today's video is this short skirt. Now when I say short skirt, it's not too short. I would say this is a midi skirt. So the skirt looks like this. This is a plain maroon skirt with kalamkari, I guess. This is a kalamkari border. Yeah, I bought it in the size L, and this belongs to a brand called Siyahi. You can pair this up with some black top or anything that you have. I got this for very reasonable price, guys. I think I got this for 350 or something. So I'll put the link in description box. Please check out and don't miss the skirt. It is so beautiful. Outfits that I bought from Ajio, guys. These are the traditional outfits that I bought, and if you want to check them out, please do check them. So I also bought few t-shirts and short tops from Ajio. I'll be sharing the details of those particular products in my coming videos. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with another amazing video. Until then, please take care, be kind and keep smiling. Bye.